Hi everyone, my name is Kanta Yamamoto and I'm large project leader of the Highness cb350. For more than 60 years, Honda has consistently given the name CB to on-road motorcycle, which symbolizes Honda's history of the challenges. Our challenge has always been how to exceed the expectation of the riders, and the CB have always been the latest answer to that challenge. It was the Indian riders who motivated the development of the new CB based on our understanding of the riding preferences. The purpose of developing the Honda Basic Roadster is to connect friends through experience both on a daily basis and on long trips. The basic value of Highness cb350 enriches people motorcycle lives not only by its ease of use on a daily basis, but also by experiencing go further with fun and worry-free to encounter new roads and sceneries. This wide range of values enable people to share them with their friends, and we also aim that this new product would be a part of new motorcycle culture. To this end, it is a Highness cb350 that the latest technology have been generously reflected on. Then, let's take a look at its features along with the technology behind it. We believe that motorcycle looks most beautiful with riders. The body of Highness cb350 has been engineered by considering the fundamental belief, which is the sense of unity between the riders and the motorcycle. It is easy to handle on multiple terrains, and at the same time, the rider's appearance beautifully stands out. The position of handlebar is designed for better maneuverability, and it is at the same time it leads to an upright posture, which allows the riders keep an eye on surroundings even in the crowded traffic. While emphasizing the presence of the rider, this comfortable and dignified riding posture has realized a relaxation during the cruise. For frame, we adopted a half-duplex cradle frame in steel tube. It offers a predictable behavior of the vehicle movement and relaxed, smooth handling that fully brings out the toughness of steel. The key to realize this smooth ride comfort is our development methodology. We have created its controllability that fully respects the rider's wish by the design based on computer simulations and on repeated sensory evaluation of the actual machine. We designed this brand new and beautiful 350cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine. This engine generates the most clear pulse that even makes the combustion process evident with each and every shot like never before. This ensures a fun riding experience in every situation, from daily use in the city to long road trips. It largely has to do with the adoption of the world's first balance system that makes a clear distinction between present heartbeat and unpresent vibrations generated by a long-stroke engine and extract only the highest quality heartbeat. We achieved this magnificent exhaust sound by adopting a long-diameter tailpipes, which makes the structure of a single-chamber silencer and good flow exhaust system noticeable at a glance by the latest sound management. They deliver powerful, vibrant, heavy bass sound, maximize the presence of the machine and the rider who controls it. Moreover, to realize our product development concept to deepen ties between friends, the deluxe version is equipped with the world's first ever Honda smartphone voice control system developed in-house by Honda. The system allows the rider to access the smartphone in the way they want to use even while riding. This makes it possible to share the exciting riding moments with the riders around the world. We are sure that you'll enjoy spectacular sceneries and have great company while riding on Highness cb350. In the end, I'd like to share that the color range top-notch both in premium and classy image. On top of that, in the deluxe version, we will providing a dual-tone colors respecting on the CB history. These are what we've achieved in the CB style to maximize the value of experience by always creating the cutting-edge motorcycle. Once again, we'd like to thank all riders in India for giving us the opportunity to take on this challenge. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Yamamoto, for taking us through the development journey of this majestic motorcycle. Mr. Ogata, I have the most important question for you. As a biking enthusiast, what will it take me to get one of these majestic machines?
1.9 lakh around.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow, that is brilliant, because I know that a lot of motorcycling enthusiasts are going to be queuing up in front of your showrooms to get their hands on this majestic machine. This is truly fascinating. So I'm sure all of you are waiting to get the experience of this majestic motorcycle, the Honda Highness cb350. With that, I'd like to thank you wonderful gentlemen for being part of this amazing launch, which is going to be exciting a lot of motorcyclists across the country. Thank you for being here today. It was an absolute pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Your Highness has truly and officially arrived. Well, what we have here is a truly regal offering that will definitely command eyeballs all over the country. Not only with its stunning presence, but also with its extremely unique and captivating sound that is surely going to make heads turn. And it's time now to present the awesome exhaust note wrapped in the soulful beats of the percussion maestro Sivamani. So before we bring the curtains down on this amazing afternoon, let's get charged with the amazing sound of the Highness Sivamani style.